1. Install the coolant filter and air filter. Loosen the screws and remove the cover on the back of the machine. Install the coolant filter onto the cover plate using screws. Then use screws to install the air filter onto the cover plate. Step 2. Connect the gas pipeline. Insert the 8 mm diameter external high-pressure gas hose into the air inlet of the air filter. One end of the transparent air hose is inserted into the air outlet of the air filter. One of the remaining 2 ends is inserted into the air inlet of the milling machine. And the other end, equipped with a gas regulating valve, is inserted into the machine's cutting fluid inlet. In dry milling mode, open the gas valve to allow gas to enter the cutting fluid inlet. Step 3. Connect the spindle cooler. Pour deionized water into the water inlet of the cooler. Do not add tap water. The coolant hoses have 2 6 mm diameter connectors and 2 8 mm diameter connectors. Insert both ends of an 8 mm diameter hose into the inlet and outlet of the cooler. Insert both ends of a 6 mm diameter hose into the coolant inlet and outlet of the milling machine. Plug the power cord of the cooler into the cooler socket on the back of the milling machine. Step 4. Connect the vacuum cleaner. Connect the vacuum cleaner's high-pressure air hose. And then plug the vacuum cleaner's power cord into the power socket on the back of the machine. Screw the dry cut pipe into the outlet at the bottom of the milling machine. Connect the vacuum cleaner hose. Step 5. Connect the main power cord of the milling machine and turn on the switch. Step 1. Remove the vacuum hose and replace it with the cutting fluid drain pipe. Step 2. Connect the water pump. Insert an 8 mm diameter cutting fluid coolant hose into the water pump outlet. Place the filter bag over the water tank to filter cutting debris. Place the water tank directly below the coolant drain outlet. Insert the water pump's cutting fluid hose into the inlet of the cutting fluid filter. Then connect the water pump's power cord. Step 3. Switch the cutting fluid inlet path. Connect the orange hose to the coolant filter outlet. Disconnect the transparent hose from the cutting fluid inlet, and then close the valve on the transparent hose. Insert the orange hose into the cutting fluid inlet, and open the valve on the orange hose.